How to report a safety issue on Lyft. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to report a safety issue on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your button at the bottom. Select it. Then scroll down and here you can find help. Tap on it. Now here you can find report safety issue or accident. Now simply tap on it. Now from here you can simply report the issue. Now choose the appropriate topic just like this. And from here you can simply report it. And that's it. This is how you can report a safety issue on Lyft. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.